How many people do you know that use electricity or natural gas? How many of them do you think would like to pay less for it or even get it for free? How would you like to earn a residual income and potentially thousands of dollars in bonuses just by referring people to that offer? I'm talking about energy, electricity, and natural gas. Commodities that are unconsciously purchased and habitually used by everyone you know and everyone you don't know. In other words, everyone has to have it and pays for it without thinking about it. Every month, month after month, year after year. Right now, energy monopolies are being broken up across the country. And for the first time in history, consumers have the right to choose who they buy their energy from. For entrepreneurs who understand the power of a dynamic change like this, a huge window of opportunity opens. Fortunes can be created by those with a vision to take massive immediate action. Retail energy is the largest industry ever to deregulate in American history. Nearly $500 billion is spent every year by residential consumers, many of whom live in states that are already deregulated. In those states that are now deregulated, billions of dollars are being taken from the old incumbent utilities by new retail energy companies as customers exercise their right to choose a new provider. So, why should any of that information matter to you? What if I could show you a way to partner with an established company that's already taking advantage of this tremendous opportunity by allowing ordinary people to garner their share of those billions? How would you like to earn true residual income on the retail energy bills of thousands or even tens of thousands of people? This is the opportunity you have with Ambit Energy. Ambit Energy already offers service in Texas, New York, and Illinois, providing immediate access to over 15.8 million customers and $35 billion in revenue. And we're just getting started. With less than 2% market share and with other states opening their utility markets to competition right now, the opportunity is truly ground floor. Ambit gives you the chance to benefit by offering a service that every family in America has to have. They use it every day, and it's already in their monthly budget. The only question you have to answer is, how much of that billion-dollar market do you want for yourself? Ambit's vision is to become an industry leader offering consumers competitive rates, great customer service, and incredible benefits. Ambit Energy pays you to refer our service to your circle of influence in order to obtain loyal customers. You can generate serious residual income by helping people save money, earn incredible travel benefits, and even help them get their energy for free. Imagine, you help a few people save money on their electric or gas bill. They help a few other people save money. Those others help a few others, and so on and so on and so on. And before you know it, you're getting paid on the energy usage of hundreds or even thousands of people in your referral network. This is true residual income. This is the power of the opportunity before you. As an Ambit independent consultant, you can start a business of your own that has the potential to generate $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. Really, the potential is unlimited every month, month after month. It's your choice. With Ambit Energy, the power to achieve financial freedom is literally within your grasp. If you want to get started now, just click the Join Now button and complete the short enrollment form. Or, if you need some more information, simply click the appropriate state presentation once this video ends or contact the person who sent you a link to this website. Whatever you decide, we wish you incredible success. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your search for financial freedom.